So we're getting ready for work today, and I want to try on, I have the brushes. So I want to try on this palette from Stardust I got from TJ Maxx yesterday. So since I'm wearing all black, maybe ayok. Ay! Hold on. Ayan, I opened it already. So, tada! What should I wear? Maybe I'll try this one. So, let's try. Where's my mirror? I'm standing with a girl in the mirror. Charot. Ako lang to. So, try. Oh! Tama ba? It's very light. Ayan. I'm pretty. Simple girl lang today. Simple girl, all black. O, diba? Ayan. Very, very subtle lang. Then, lagay tayo sa ilalim. Let's put some under the, ano tawag dito? Eyelid? Okay. And a bit of Merit mascara. Konti lang. Para hindi na mamukhang kalbo ang aking lashes. Ay, no, konti lang. Just a little bit. Yan. Okay, next. So, again, ang pagkakaintindi ko, Laura Mercier. Laura Geller pala again. So, let's try this. Help me. Tinted lip oil. Na kulay, its color is top tier. Ang hirap, no? Need glasses, so let's try it. Simple girl lang, di ba? Cute. So let's try it on. Dito muna ako sa mirror, okay? Ooh. Very simple girl. Next door. From door 7, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next door. First time ko mag-unsabi. It's my first time. Happy Friday, everyone. Let's get ready for work. Okay, guys. Here we go. Happy Friday. Let's go to work.